Hello, my name is Melissa Grant, and I'm the Director of Product Marketing for Windows Enterprise. To describe myself for accessibility, I'm a white female with curly brown hair, and I'm standing in front of a beautiful multicolored backdrop. Welcome to Windows 11. I'm joined by my colleague Adi, and we are so excited to share with you, our valued partner community, how this newest version of Windows is designed for hybrid work and what it means for our customers and your business.
And hi, my name is Adi Hariharan, and I'm the Director for Product Marketing for Windows Pro. Just to describe myself for accessibility purposes, I'm a male of Indian descent with short hair, wearing a pair of glasses, and I'm in the same studio as Melissa. Before I get into Windows 11, I want to start a bit closer to home. I want to start with our customers, I want to start with us, and I want to start with you and me. As we reflect on 2020, the past 12 months has been tough. It has changed everything. There are people I work with every day, people I spend hours down in the trenches, solving problems and getting stuff done. They're my colleagues and my work buddies, and I have not met many of them in person yet. For example, Melissa and I have only met a couple of times before the pandemic, and now we work together every day through online meetings. This is the hybrid world, and according to research, it is here to stay. In a recent survey, we found 73% of the global workforce want flexible work options. Paradoxically, at the same time, 67% say they want more in-person collaboration with their colleagues. In response to this, 80% of managers say they expect more flexible work options to come into play post-pandemic. This is the hybrid work paradox. And for our customers, things are about to get more complex, not less. Every one of us are tackling this paradox at a personal level. Personally, for me, I feel more efficient working at home, but I also miss the creativity and connection that comes with in-person collaboration. It is an adjustment that we all have to make as we make our way to return to the office. It will impact us at a personal and at an organizational level. These are challenges that we face in a hybrid world today. Unlike other challenges we faced in the past, this is not about implementing a standalone solution, taking them off a checklist. No, this is about adapting, about overcoming, about bringing the best technological solutions and innovations to meet the hybrid work paradox head on.
There have been few times in our shared human experience that we've had the opportunity to do things differently, to take a step back, take a hard look at the way we've done things, and been equipped with the technology that will allow us to change. And I mean really change. Windows 11 bloomed out of the chaos of the COVID world in response to the hybrid work paradox Adi talked about, to empower our customers like never before with the full power of everything Microsoft has to offer. Windows is adapting so that you can too. Welcome to Windows 11. I remember being in the meeting when Panos and our engineering leaders were sharing the personal stories that inspired everything we've done in Windows 11. The endless online meetings, the destruction of the 9-to-5, and the frustrations with multitasking. As we struggled to adapt to remote work and this new normal, we saw more of the ugly seams of today's technology. So we set out to change it. Windows 11 is designed for hybrid work. And we're so humbled that you're on this journey with us. Windows is only one of the whole, given life by the stunning devices and the services that you provide, which have and will allow our customers to thrive. And since we're spending so much more time staring at bright screens, not just for endless email, but also countless meetings, plus keeping up with our personal lives, to give your eyes a rest, we're going to ship all of the Windows 11 commercial SKUs in that IT favorite, beautiful dark mode by default. Of course, light mode is available if that's your preference. So now let's take a look at all the ways Windows 11 enables hybrid work.
Windows 11 is the operating system for the hybrid workplace. It is empowering for employees and familiar for IT. Windows 11 reimagines Windows to deliver new, flexible, intuitive, and intelligent experiences that work the way you work. These experiences fall into 5 key categories: productive, collaborative, consistent, secure, and choice. With Windows 11, we're delivering a more streamlined, a more human, and a more powerful personal computing experience, all built on top of the performance, security, and management capabilities Windows is known for. With Windows 11, you get all the Windows 10 features you use every day, plus amazing new features you will discover and we hope fall in love with. Our research has told us that we are most productive when we're calm and in our flow. I personally get my best work done when I'm focused on what I'm doing by turning off notifications and flipping full screen on my application. With Windows 11, we make it even easier to get into the flow. The new Windows 11 UI has been designed with calm in mind, and we've added incredible productivity features to keep you in your flow. I'm sure many of you are like me and usually have several windows open on the PC throughout the day as we get work done. To make that easier, we focused on improving the way you interact with these windows, how you organize them, snap them to specific areas on the screen, group them together, and easily toggle back to those snap groups when you need them. For example, I tend to work on multiple applications at the same time. I have Teams on one window, Word on the other, PowerPoint on the third. One of my favorite features is how Windows 11 gives me suggestions on how to snap these applications in an arrangement based on the screen size and orientation. I can even quickly answer an email and then switch back to the snapped arrangement of the applications without having to reorganize my screen. Even better, when you're docked into an external monitor but need to change things up by moving from the desk to the couch or from the office to a meeting, when you get back to your external monitor and redock, Windows will remember your arrangements and throw those applications back on the screen organized in the same way as you left them.
As I think back over the last year, we've all spent a lot of time in online meetings, and that isn't going to change. Hybrid work and learning means some of our teammates or classmates will be online, even as some of us return on site. And we can make that shared experience better. We've all had that awkward moment of you're on mute or can you see my screen? With Windows 11, we've brought more into the taskbar so that you have direct access to what you need and can stay focused on collaboration. This includes deeper integration between the Windows operating system and collaboration and communication apps like Microsoft Teams to make it easier and more immediate to do things like mute or unmute your mic or share an application directly from the desktop taskbar. Now, when Audie's dog Emily starts barking, she only gets about half a bark out before he's able to hit that mute button directly from his taskbar during our calls or video meetings without having to find and click it in the Teams app. Now the mute button will be immediately visible when a call begins, and you can turn your mic on or off instantly with just one click. Meetings aren't just about talking heads. We need to easily share what we're looking at and working on. Now you can instantly share any app or window from your taskbar. No fumbling, just hover over an app or a window icon to see all your open content and just click the share button. And there's so much more innovation under the hood with Windows 11. New PCs with advanced audio and cameras unlock rich AI experiences built right into the OS that help with everyday hybrid work scenarios. For example, when your partner walks through your background to grab lunch, Windows will recognize that as a potential distraction and automatically blur them out as they pass through the frame. And when they holler, "Where's the bread?" intelligent noise isolation and cancellation ensures that it doesn't interrupt your meeting. This synergy between Windows 11 and Microsoft Teams is designed to make hybrid work work. And we will offer APIs for these features to our rich ecosystem of collaboration app providers as well. The past 18 months have been super tough for IT. As everyone else hunkered down, IT stepped up and connected, empowered, and enabled us to keep working and learning. We want our IT community to know that we put them at the heart of every decision we made when it came to how organizations deploy, support, and manage Windows 11. Windows 11 is built on the consistent, compatible, and familiar Windows 10 foundation you know. As a result, you'll prepare, deploy, and manage Windows 11 just as you do today with Windows 10. From an IT perspective, moving to Windows 11 will feel more like an update than like a major upgrade, while at the same time delivering all of the user experience and feature benefits designed to help people have a better hybrid work experience. We know that some of our customers have only recently finished their migration from Windows 7 to Windows 10. And we know that consistency is critical to IT to keep your organization running smoothly. To ensure that your hard work and investment in Windows carries forward, all of the IT best practices our customers have adopted for Windows 10 apply to Windows 11. Your move to Windows 11 fits right in with your existing processes. It is not a new project. The apps, deployment practices, and management tools your Windows license are consistent from Windows 10 to Windows 11. This means that you'll use Windows Update for Business to move to Windows 11, Microsoft Endpoint Manager to manage Windows 11, so your policies and security baselines are applied. You can provision new Windows 11 PCs with Autopilot, and you have the option of putting a Windows 11 device into Cloud Config for curated, secure endpoint needs. Making this really easy for customers starts with modern management in Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Many of our customers have taken the step to cloud attach their Windows PCs, but moving to full cloud management is a journey, and one we count on you, our partner community, to support. Thank you for the work you've already done to help our customers adopt modern management, support, and servicing best practices that unlock the intelligent cloud-powered features that will make the move to Windows 11 seamless and secure for IT.
Melissa, I'm glad you mentioned security. It has never been more important. We live in a complex cybersecurity environment. You need the next generation operating system that evolves to address the changing threat landscape. Windows 11 provides a zero-trust ready operating system to protect data and access across devices. It delivers maximum security while ensuring you stay productive without skipping a beat. Microsoft believes in a secure by design approach. We have a clear vision for how to protect our customers and to address current and future security threats with built-in security. With Windows 11, we have partnered closely with our OEM and silicon partners to increase the security baseline by requiring a security chip like the TPM 2.0 and ensuring protections like hardware-based isolation, secure boot, and hypervisor code integrity are built in and turned on by default to protect from malware and sophisticated attacks. We know this approach works. Secured core PCs that are built on this foundation are twice as resilient to malware. Finally, we've also made going passwordless easier by simplifying the steps to deploy Windows Hello for Business. When paired with modern devices equipped with infrared cameras or fingerprint readers, you can log into your device simply by looking at your device or touching it with your finger. The flexibility and choice that comes with the Windows device ecosystem has never been more important than now. We want to provide the flexibility for users to be equipped with devices that suit their working style and productivity needs. We hear from business leaders and end users how important this choice is for empowerment to get stuff done and feel like they're contributing to business outcomes. With the very best ecosystem bringing the most innovative devices running on cutting-edge silicon, we're spoiled for choice on how we will experience Windows 11. And the hardware really comes to life when paired with the improvements we made to the operating system, especially with input methods like touch, pen, and voice. Windows 11 has a new pen toolbar that gives you quick access to the tools that you need to be productive with a pen. The new soft keyboard is redesigned and easier to use with Swift key technology integrated and now comes with the convenience of gesture typing and prediction. And we've introduced voice typing, allowing you to dictate notes, and here's what's cool. Windows will automatically punctuate your sentences for you, and it supports voice commands to help you take control of the typing experience. The best part, you can use touch, pen, or voice across any text field in Windows.
And there's so much more that we simply don't have the time to show you in this session. From the beautiful UI that is consistent throughout the Windows 11 experience, to Edge and Search, where Microsoft Edge is built to be the fastest browser on Windows 11, with Microsoft Search built directly into Edge and the OS, so you have easy access to search all your organizational assets, to multiple desktops to separate and supercharge your workflows, to a consistent migration experience with improvements in autopilot that make it easier than ever to get immediately productive on a new device, to the redesigned touch experience with increased touch targets, making it easy to resize and reposition apps, new animations, and new gestures like the 3-finger swipe, multitask between apps. There is so much more to explore in Windows 11. Our early research confirms that these features and innovations are going to deeply resonate with our customers. When we took Windows 11 to our customers and analysts, they loved it. Customers immediately recognized the benefit of a UI and features dedicated to hybrid work. They appreciated that we were able to strike a balance between meaningful innovation and familiarity with the Windows people know and love. Our customers were definitely ready for updated and modernized visuals in Windows 11, applied to every corner, nook, and cranny of the OS, leaving no legacy UI unturned to improve your daily experience. Windows 11 was still recognizably Windows, but updated for the modern world and for hybrid work. Analysts appreciated that we were able to keep the foundation of Windows 10 the same, so the best practices of servicing, support, deployment, and management is consistent from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And in doing so, we're respecting the investment and the processes our customers have invested in. They were also excited with the possibilities Windows 11 affords for empowering hybrid work. And they agreed with our customers that the consistency we're able to deliver for IT, paired with employee excitement for new features and new devices, will increase the velocity with which organizations adopt Windows 11. And new devices will be key to this employee experience. The very best way to experience Windows 11 will be on new, modern devices.
I want to spend a few moments talking about the hardware that will ship with Windows 11. And I'd like to start at the heart of these devices, the processors. Windows 11 will ship with the latest generation processors from AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. These are powerful multi-core processors that support the rich capabilities like USB 4 for blazing fast data transfer, rich, beautiful OLED and HDR displays, cutting-edge connectivity options with Wi-Fi 6 and 5G capability, and most importantly, integrated security protections and management capabilities. We're always amazed at the incredible innovation our hardware partners bring to market. And we've collaborated deeply with our partners to bring the world's best collection of commercial devices to customers. We partnered to match improvements in Windows with hardware innovation to build on world-class fundamentals in performance, battery life, and security baselines. And we will have a broad portfolio across a range of device form factors and price points. But developing and combining your products and services with Windows 11 and Microsoft 365, you can offer customers a high-value portfolio of truly unparalleled solutions. With over 1.3 billion devices running Windows today, the largest ecosystem of peripherals and the broadest portfolio of industry-leading commercial applications, Windows empowers you to provide customers with an optimal device for every end user. When you then attach Microsoft 365 to a Windows device, you not only provide end users market-leading productivity applications they know and rely on, but you also provide IT with an incredible cloud infrastructure. A complete solution for hybrid work, consistently named a leader across Gartner Magic Quadrants. With endpoints running Windows 11 and Microsoft 365, you establish a rock-solid foundation upon which you can build and optimize your cloud service and make it easy for customers to empower the users and supercharge their businesses. Sounds great, right? Still, you may be asking yourself, what are the specific areas of opportunity I should be pursuing? For starters, showcasing the benefits of modern hardware on Windows 11 should accelerate device refresh. Second, migrating customers to Microsoft 365 helps you establish higher value subscription revenue streams from device to the cloud, from monthly Microsoft 365 subscriptions to Azure Virtual Desktop and device as a service. Third, by leveraging Windows and Microsoft 365 technologies and tools such as Azure Active Directory, Intune, Endpoint Analytics, Autopilot, and Cloud Configuration, partners are well positioned to deliver highly scalable, cloud-based device and application deployment, management, and support services. Lastly, with Windows 11 and Microsoft 365, partners can deliver the zero trust ready identity and security services that commercial customers are searching for. From the identity and security features built into Windows and extending through integrated best-of-breed protection enabled by Microsoft 365.
Before we wrap up with our launch readiness guidance and our resources for partners, I want to get back to those best practices I mentioned earlier. It's important you know and our customers know that the practices and processes they use today are the ones that will take them to Windows 11. So let's take a moment to review. First, and we offer this same guidance to you, is to join the Windows Insider Program for Business. This is the best place for customers and partners to access builds and begin evaluating Windows 11. Second, customers should continue their journey to modern management in Microsoft Endpoint Manager to unlock cloud-powered tools that assist with migration and deployment. Third, customers should make sure all devices they purchase moving forward will run Windows 11. We have a ton of information on the hardware specs you can find online. Fourth, while virtually every app that works on Windows 10 today will work on Windows 11, we know our customers are still going to want to test their apps using insider builds, and we welcome that. Should a problem arise, App Assure guarantees Microsoft will resolve any issues. Finally, you, our partners, will be critical to help our customers plan and execute their move to Windows 11. We're recommending to them to engage with you today. So let's now talk about how to be ready to answer that call. At Microsoft, we've been working hard not just on this exciting product innovation in Windows 11, but at the same time, we're working on how to better enable our customers and partners to accelerate the deployment of Windows 11. We are so excited by this opportunity, and the feedback from early adopter customers and industry analysts are saying about Windows 11 that we are rallying and activating our 50,000 plus field sellers, marketers, and technical support staff to ensure customers and partners have the support they need to adopt Windows 11. And while our Microsoft field is a great start, we will not be successful without the full support of our partner ecosystem. We've got our Silicon and OEM partners lined up for GA. We now need the rest of you, our valued device manufacturers, distributors, and resellers. system integrators and service partners, and independent software vendors to act now. We invite you to get ready today by developing your plan for Windows 11 GA. Identify and inventory devices that are eligible to upgrade to Windows 11. Develop the types of integrated solution offerings we highlighted earlier in this session, and outline your go-to-market activities. At the same time, leverage the Windows Insider builds and training resources released this week to ready your technical and sales personnel. Lastly, we encourage you to proactively engage your customers as soon as possible. As I mentioned earlier, this powerful combination of hybrid work features and seamless IT processes will spur customers to move faster than they may have done in the past. Join us to deliver the pitch, support assessments and testing, and help customers adopt modern management in Microsoft Endpoint Manager so their Windows 11 and Microsoft 365 investments and your opportunity continues to grow. On Device Partner Center and Microsoft's Partner Network, you will find a comprehensive set of assets addressing internal readiness, demand generation, and customer engagement. In addition, we will continue to support customers and partners with pre- and post-sales programs designed to accelerate sales and deployment of Windows and Microsoft 365. Windows is all about innovation and flexibility, helping our customers meet the challenges and opportunities of hybrid. In addition to Windows 11, today, we also announced Windows 365, which allows you to securely stream a Windows experience from the cloud across all your devices. As we continue to adapt to hybrid work, Windows is adapting too, bringing you a new version of Windows designed for hybrid work with Windows 11 and a new way to get Windows as a streaming cloud service with Windows 365. To learn more about Windows 365, please check out What's Next in End-User Computing with Wangui McKelvey and Scott Manchester. Now, you can truly have Windows anywhere, anytime, so you can work the way you want across all your devices. This is a new era for Microsoft 365, and we're so excited about the opportunity in front of us. Thank you for your time today, and thank you for being a Microsoft partner, supporting our customers through this time of change. We are so excited to pursue this opportunity together with you.
Thank you. We're thrilled to bring Windows 11 to the world. I can't wait for you and our customers to start trials and then deploy Windows 11.